What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I know I haven't done one in such a long time and I'm so sorry for that. I've just been doing so many reviews. I really like doing reviews, but I also want to get back to my roots and do a tutorial. I post a lot of tutorials on Instagram, but I want to give you guys a really nice and detailed one. So today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm super excited to be using this palette because I told you guys in the last video I was so excited for this Tutti Frutti line that Too Faced came out with. I love Too Faced products. They're probably one of my favorite brands to use. So this palette has glitter, metallic, satin, and matte eyeshadows that give intense payoff with one swipe coverage. So we're gonna see if that is true. I'm not sure what look I'm gonna do yet, so I guess we're gonna see. But I want you guys to see how cute the packaging is. I think that's why I was so into this collection, because the packaging is adorable. So here are the colors. They look really pretty, warm tone colors. You guys know I love my warm tones. That's my jam. That's where I lay in life, in the warm tones. I'm not a cool tone kind of person. So most of my looks end up being pretty warm tone. And you know what? I'm not gonna try to change myself. I'm not gonna try to change what's in here. What's in here? So for this video, I am going to be doing a voiceover. Let me know in the comments below if you guys prefer voiceovers or me basically talking to you while I'm applying the eyeshadows or the makeup in general on my face. I really want to know. I've gotten a lot of feedback, but I'm not sure which one is the most popular one. So let me know. This one today is going to be a voiceover, but I will try to make the next one whatever it is you guys say in the comments that you guys prefer. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I am starting off by priming my eyes, and I'm just using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer to do that. I prefer to use a concealer rather than a primer, but you do you. So I'm obsessed with smells, and this palette smells so effing good, guys. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to set that concealer, and I'm using the shade Yum Yum to do that. Now I'm picking up the shade Passports and Pineapples. How cute are those names? I'm taking that actually on a small blending brush, and I'm going to focus that in on the crease. Now I'm grabbing Tutti Cutie, which is a nice brown shade, and I am going to focus that on top of that Passports and Pineapples color and in the outer V, just to deepen it up. And I am taking that shade a little bit further than where my eye stops, just to make it look a little bit more cat-like. So I am cutting my crease, and to do that I'm using the same concealer, and I'm looking up to create a false lid because my lids are kind of small. So I'm just tapping out the edges of that concealer to make it look a little bit more blended. And then I am taking, I think it's Island Queen, and it's such a beautiful green color, and I'm just pressing that onto my eyelid with my fingertips. So I'm going back in with Passports and Pineapples, and I'm using that to just accentuate that cut crease. And right after that, I'm actually taking Tutti Cutie again, and I'm using whatever was left on the brush just to blend that dark eyeshadow into the green. Alright guys, now we're going into my favorite foundation at the moment, the Do You Full Coverage Foundation by Too Faced. And I'm just dotting that onto my face using my fingers. This foundation also smells super good. Honestly, this whole line just smells so amazing. I don't know how they do it. And I'm using a Morphe MB8 to blend this all out. People always ask me what foundation brushes I use, so that is the one I am using. Then I'm taking that Colourpop No Filter Concealer and popping that under my eyes to brighten them up and cover these designer bags, girl. I swear sometimes it looks like I haven't slept in like 80 years, but you know, insomnia is a bitch, whatever. So I am actually taking the shade Passports and Pineapples under the eye, and then I'm taking Tutti Cutie on a smaller brush and just running that really close to the lash line. Now I'm taking these lashes that are so extra. They are Thrill Seeker from Bold Face Makeup. I love them. They give the look just a little bit more oomph. All right, I haven't been to the beach in weeks, so I am going to be taking You're Dragging Me Down by Wet n Wild. This is one of their Fire and Ice bronzers. It's so nice. It has like a gel formula. I'm loving it, and I am using that all around the perimeter of my face. Don't forget to pop it under your nose to give it a more lifting effect. Taking one of my favorite blushes of all time, Nars Orgasm, I'm going to pop it on the cheeks for a nice flush of color. For highlighter, I'm taking Ofra and Nikki Tutorials Everglow highlighter. If you don't have this one, I know it was limited edition. You could take any highlighter that is blinding. So now I'm taking, this is one of my favorite steps, guys, actually. I love making my lips look bigger, so I'm taking the BBF2 pencil from Colourpop, and I'm just gonna overline my lips. And last but not least, some Fenty Gloss Bomb, and we are Zun Zaddy. That is the look. Honestly, who do I think I am with this slow-mo? Beyonce? No. And that is the completed look. I absolutely love how this turned out with this palette. Like, this palette is so pigmented. And not to mention, it smells so fucking good. Like, the smell of this palette just, I don't know, it brought me back to, like, my childhood. I have no idea what it smells like. It just smells so good. Like, it smells amazing, guys. So I will leave you at that. So let me know down below, like I was saying, let me know down below if you guys like seeing voiceover videos, or if you guys prefer to see videos where someone talks through the whole makeup look. And my next one, I promise, will be exactly what you guys want. So don't forget to hit subscribe so you can see that next video. Hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted every time that I post a video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.